Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add a product on WordPress using WooCommerce. In building your website on WordPress, you will surely come to a point on where you need to add products. WooCommerce should be the natural solution when it comes to setting up an online store. The platform offers almost all of the functionality you need to sell products online. WooCommerce comes with lots of features, but not all of them are critical to getting your store up and running. In fact, all you need to know in getting into e-commerce is how to configure the platform, then add new items to it. Let's walk you through the basics of adding a product on WordPress through WooCommerce. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you haven't had your WordPress installed, then you better check our previous tutorial. Access the admin dashboard of your WordPress site. Once you're in, hover your mouse to the products section on the left and select Add New on the options. Indicate your product name. After you indicate a product name, it will automatically generate a permalink for your product. Indicate your product description. There are two product description areas. Just for the sake of this tutorial, let's differentiate them so we can see the difference. Next is the product data. If your product is a virtual product or a downloadable product, just check the box. But if your product is a tangible item, then just leave those two unchecked. Indicate the price of your item. If you wanted your product to be on sale, just indicate the sale price and the effective dates. On the inventory section, indicate the SKU of the item and set the stock status. You can also let WooCommerce track your stocks. Just check the Manage Stock box and indicate how many items you have on your inventory. It is up to you if you wanted to allow back orders. Just make sure you'll be able to cater them. The shipping section is where you'll be indicating the weight and the dimensions of your item. The link product section is where you can place a link for items that you wanted to upsell or cross-sell. Since this is our first product, let's tackle this on another tutorial. The attributes is where you can indicate the qualities of your product. If your product has variation, this is also where you can indicate them. Advanced is where you can indicate the purchase note. So these are the items that need to be filled out on your product data. Next is to add a product category. Just add a new one if you haven't created one yet. You can also select a parent category. Add a product tag. Add a product image. This is the main picture of your product. If you click it, you will be taken to the image library. You can also upload a file by dragging the picture from your computer. Select the product image and place the alt text, title, description, and caption if needed. This is needed if you wanted to boost your SEO. Add your product gallery images. Select the images that you wanted to add. Just press and hold the Control key for Windows and Command key for Mac to select multiple images. After you have added your product image, it's time to preview your listing. Under the Publish area, click the Preview button. It should open a new tab, and you can now review your listing. If you're okay with it, click the Publish button to publish the listing. Your listing is now live. Congratulations on your first listing. So that, ladies and gents, is how you add a product on WordPress using WooCommerce. Stay tuned in our next tutorial. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.digital and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon! Hey, do you like this e-com content? Sign up for the Sellers Post newsletter for more e-commerce content straight to your inbox, or follow us on social with the links below. Thanks for watching!